Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit. I'm Pawan Jaswal, and in today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most requested topics, the complete cybersecurity career path from student to pro. Whether you are just starting out or looking out to switch careers, this guide will walk you through every step, from learning the basic to landing your first job and beyond. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's begin. First thing first, what is cybersecurity? Simply put, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting system, networks, and data from cyber attacks. These attacks can be anything from viruses, phishing, to full-blown ransomware incident. Your job as a cybersecurity pro is to stop these attacks or recover from them quickly. Cybersecurity has many branches: network security, application security, penetration testing, digital forensic, and more. The good news, there's a path for every interest. Next, you need to build a solid foundation in IT and computer science. Start with the basic. Learn how operating systems work, especially Linux and Windows. Understand how network functions like IP addresses, DNS, VPNs, and ports. Also, learn a bit of coding. Python is a great place to start for automation and scripting. Platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and free courses on Cybra or Cisco Networking Academy are excellent starting points. Once you have got the fundamentals, start learning cybersecurity specific concepts. These includes how firewall works, what encryption is, how phishing attacks are done, and how to defend and respond to threats. Looking into frameworks like My3 and OAP's top 10 to get an idea for real-world threats and vulnerabilities. Stay curious, watch YouTube videos, follow blogs, read white papers. Every bit helps. If you enjoy solving puzzles and finding weaknesses, go for penetration testing. If you are more into building secure platforms, security engineering, prefer structures and policies, governance, risk, and compliance might be a thing. Still unsure? Start as a generalist and narrow down as you explore more. Cybersecurity is all about doing, not just reading. Use platforms like TryHackMe, CodeSwinger, or Over the Wire for hands-on labs. Build your own lab using VirtualBox or VMware and test what you learn. Practice scanning, exploitation, and securing systems. Play capture the flag challenges. They are fun and teaches real-world skills. Certifications can help you get your foot in the door. Start with beginner-friendly ones like CompTIA Security Plus, CEH, or EJPT. As you gain experience, go for OSCP if you are into offensive security or CYCA Plus for blue team roles. Remember, certs aren't everything. They help, but your skills and mindsets matter more. A portfolio is your proof of work. So what you have done, write blogs, share CTF write-ups, create script, and upload them to GitHub. Start a personal website or a blog to document your journey. This helps recruiter see your growth. Keep your LinkedIn updated and actively share your progress. It can lead to job offers. Once you have some skills and portfolio, start applying. Look for roles like security analyst, SOC analyst, or even IT support if you are just breaking in. Internship, freelancing, or volunteering an open source project are great stepping stone. Don't wait until you feel ready. Confidence grows with actions. Cybersecurity is always evolving. New threats, new tools, new techniques. Join communities on Discord, Reddit, and Twitter. Follow people in the field. Go to the event like DevCon, P-Sites, or local meetups. Make learning a habit. Stay hungry, stay humble. And that's the complete roadmap from student to cybersecurity pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions. Check out openexploit.in for blog posts, learning resources, and guides just like this one. This is Pawan Jaswal helping you level up your cybersecurity game. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.